Next, I'm going to get into more detail about some of the features I've already went over, but this time in standalone mode. Standalone's going to be used primarily by stage musicians that want to use all of the plugins and effects in VIP, but don't necessarily need a DAW. So we'll create some favorites, so with the push of a button, you can load up a whole new set of sounds and effects and plugins. Naturally, the first thing you're going to want to do is get some sounds loaded into VIP. So let's hit the Browse button. And I'll go over the browser a little bit first. So we have our up, down, left, right arrows, and I can simply use these to navigate through the different sections of the browser, just like we can in all the different screens on the controller. So I'm going to first go to Plugin, and you can see I have a list of thousands of plugins. We want to narrow this down. Obviously, we don't have to go through a list of 5,657 plugins from Analog Lab. So let's go down and see what we want. I really like these Oberheim sounds. So first, let's select that, click, and as soon as I click, you'll see on the right side of the screen, I've been narrowed down from all of the plugins that I had to the 635 Oberheim plugins. Let's narrow that down a little bit more. So I'll go back up to where it says Plugin, and I'll go over to Instrument. And I like the basses. I was playing around with these earlier, really good bass sounds. Click once, and again, my screen gets narrowed down with a list of all of the different basses. Let me go down to the bottom. I remember we had a couple really cool ones here. Simple Bass 2, to load it up, again, just click. Now I have that really fat analog sounding bass. And if I hit Control, I can see all of the different controls that are associated with the knobs. So the top row and bottom row. So I'm already inspired, but it gets a lot better. Say I want to stack another patch onto it. I mentioned earlier that we can do multis. We can stack up to 8 patches, any synthesizer effect that you want. But I really like this Oberheim stuff, so maybe we'll just add another section to that. Go into my browser. And then up here where it says Channel, Channel 1, it has my Oberheim bass. I'm just going to flip this over to Channel 2. And then you can see I have all of the basses loaded again. And I'll go down to the bottom. I remember this Smoky BA was pretty good as well. And that's loaded. So now I have 2 patches playing at once. And if I hit multi, now knob 1 and 2 controls the volume. So that's the second patch I loaded. No patches. Get a good little mix there. And again, if I go back to Control, you can add up to 8. We're going to go with 2. Say I want to, I don't know, EQ or compress or add an insert effect to one of these patches. I can do that again in my browser. Let me browse up to the top. And I don't know, let's add an insert to Channel 2. So Channel 2, Slot 1. You can see I can add up to 4 inserts here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to focus on 1. And then my plugin menu changed. The first slot on a multi is always going to be an instrument or a sampler or basically something that, a source of sound. The 1, 2, 3, 4, my inserts are going to be different effects. So let's see, what do I want? Distortion. Let's click on that. Let's find a thin distortion. Let's see what that sounds like. I like that. Let's go with that. And just for the heck of it, maybe we'll add something else on top of that. Say, for example, I don't know, flanger. So let me show you what the original sound was. So I'm going to go back to the browser. I'm going to go over to Channel 2. And I'm going to go with 2. And then if I hit Multi, now knob 1 and 2 controls the volume. So let me show you what the original sound was. there's the second sound with the distortion and the flanger on there. So already we've created something completely custom and unique to your own particular style. Now I want to add, say, a reverb or delay. We're going to have to do that through a send. And we can add a send by going back into the browser, up to the top, and let's just flip through all of these different channels. We're not using the rest. And now we're at B1, stands for bus 1. Go back over to this side of my browser, and let's find something that would typically go on a bus, like a reverb. Our Air Reverb, this comes in the bundle that you can buy when you get the CTRL49. And let's do Concert Hall. So now Air Verb Concert Hall is going to be loaded up on bus 1. So let's go to Control and say we want it on the first patch that we had. So it's going to be this one right here. So let's go to Multi, and the second page, you can see I have my first page. Second page is going to be my buses. These 4 knobs will turn up bus 1. So you can see you have 4 columns. We're only using 2 of them. And then the row, you can turn up bus 1 by turning up these knobs. And if I have something on bus 2, which I don't now, I can just simply go down and bus 3, bus 4, so on and so forth. So let's hear what it sounds like when we add some reverb. Without reverb? With reverb. That's a little bit there, not really too intense. We can add an effect on another bus, or I can add a second effect onto bus 1. I think it makes most sense to maybe add another bus. So go to our browser, and let's go to bus 2. Let's add a delay. So we have this dynamic delay here. Let's see what this sounds like. Let's load it up. Back to Control. And let's see some of the parameters that we have on this delay. Here, reverb, delay, feedback, the delay time. We're not really syncing to a DAW, so we can turn that off for now. And then we need to turn up that bus. So let's go to Control, Multi, whoops. Let's add it onto the first bass. Let's scroll down. There we go. I'm just gonna, for the heck of it, start tweaking this parameter a little bit. Maybe shorten these. There's one last thing I want to do, which is glue everything together by adding a compressor to the master bus. So inside of our browser, the same way that you could scroll through all of your channels and your buses, there's this one last page with an M for master. And I have my compressors already loaded up here. So now I can go and browse through, and let's find something that has a cool name. More whack, potentially. I don't know, more whack. That could be more bad, but more whack as in clack. All right, so let's go to our control page and play around with this a little bit. Because I have a reverb and delay here, the compressor is going to bring that up. So as the reverb trails out, it's actually going to turn up a little bit, which is a great effect. There's one more thing I wanted to cover. It's called an effects stack. So very similar to the way you can save a multi that has virtual instruments, effects and sends, and everything stored in one convenient click, you can actually do the same for effects. So say you have a multi of just synthesizers or drum machines or something like that, and you have a group of effects that you want to save. It's really, really easy, and I'll show you how to do it. So again, let's look at the computer. And down here on the bottom, we didn't really touch this too much, but we're here to talk about the controller. I can load up my mixer. And within my mixer, you can see that I have tons of buses, all sorts of stuff in here. But on channel 2, I have a couple of different effects. Now, if I want to save this, all I have to do is click this downward arrow, and it says Effect Stack 3 here. Let's control click and rename it something like Nix Effects. And now we can take this and actually put it into our set list. Furthermore, if I go over to my effects menu and click, on the left-hand side, I have all my effect stacks. If I'm not on this already and say I'm on my delays or enhancer or wherever else, I have a bunch of different presets. I can always go to the top and there are my effect stacks. So there you have it. One more way of using VIP in the CTRL49 to get your live set or studio sessions really, really optimal.